Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our Android screen installed in a 2014 BMW 650 Xi. That's how the screen looks like. This is before installation, and I'm gonna come back and show you the unit after installation. So you can compare it before and after. Everyone, right now the unit is installed in the M6 that I showed you before. That's how the screen looks like. Just technically the screen came off. The bezel around the screen stays same as before, just the screen is replaced. It retains all the factory function. You can use the iDrive knob and you can go back to factory MBT screen without any problem. It retains the backup camera, or if you have 360 camera, it retains that too, so nothing is changed. And by holding the menu button for long, it changes to aftermarket mode. So that's the digital cluster that it shows the RPM and the speed. And you can go to video. You can play video from the screen. And also you can go to apps. These are the apps that you can install inside the unit. So you can go to Google Store and download any apps that you like. Comes with equalizers, and you can select pop, rock, or any other one that you like. Right now I'm showing you how to connect the Apple CarPlay. So first I'm going to Bluetooth of our unit, so I forget any Bluetooth that I already connected to my phone from the original BMW, and I select Bluetooth. So GOCST is there. I'm pairing it. Ask me for password. I put the password. My phone is connected, and by going to Z-Link, and I have to make sure my Wi-Fi is on my phone, which is off right now, so I'm turning it on, and I click Z-Link and I wait for the message from my phone to connect to the Apple CarPlay. For the first time it takes a little bit longer time. If it takes you time, you can see there is one Android number right there. So by clicking on that you can select it, or just wait till the unit boots up. And that's the Apple CarPlay, fully touch, or you can use the iDrive knob. This 6 Series 2014 didn't come with any Apple CarPlay, and you can see how fast it works. It's smooth. You can use Google Maps, you can use Spotify, and you can enjoy all functions from our Android screen. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. You can go to infotainment systems and select BMW, and under BMW you can find the model and the year of your vehicle, and you can add it to your shopping cart. Thank you and have a great day.